Are your legs feeling shakier, heavier, or more tired than they used to? Do stairs suddenly feel like mountains? Weak legs aren't just a sign of old age knocking. They're a warning that your muscles, nerves, and circulation need help, and you can give that help with a few science-backed habits plus targeted pressure point techniques from traditional medicine. Stay with me to the end. The last fix is rarely mentioned, yet it can stop painful nighttime cramps in their tracks. If you find value along the way, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0 so I can improve for you. Let's begin with the most common and most overlooked cause of leg weakness after 60, shrinking muscle mass. It doesn't happen overnight, but if ignored, it can drastically affect your independence. Muscle loss, sarcopenia. Why it happens? After 60, you can lose up to 1% of muscle each year. By your 80s, that could mean 1/3 of your strength is gone, unless you fight back. Short story, Helen's comeback. Helen, 72, noticed her thighs thinning and dreaded rising from low chairs. Her grandson challenged her to do 5 chair squats a day and press an acupressure point on her shin called Zusanli, ST36, to wake up the muscles. Within a month, Helen could do 10 squats and climb stairs without gripping the rail. Try pressure point fix. Zusanli, ST36, 4 finger widths below the kneecap, 1 finger width to the outside of the shin bone. Press or rub in small circles for 30 seconds on each leg, twice daily. Studies show ST36 can enhance muscle recovery and energy flow to the lower limbs. Here is an action plan. Try doing chair squats, resistance band leg extensions, or wall push-offs 3 to 4 times per week. Eat 25 to 30 grams of protein with each meal. Zusanli ST36 acupressure before exercise to prime the muscles. Still watching? Comment 1 if this helps. Now, let's talk about something that affects how your legs feel as much as how they function: circulation. If your legs often feel cold, tingly, or heavy, this one could be the missing piece. Poor circulation is peripheral artery disease. Why it happens? Plaque in the leg arteries limits blood flow, causing heaviness and cramps. Short story, Paul's warm foot fountain. Paul, 75, loved evening walks, but his calves burned after 3 blocks. A nurse taught him to soak his feet in warm water while massaging the Yongquan KD1 point on the sole. He combined that with ankle pumps and in 2 weeks walked his old route pain-free. Try this pressure point fix. Yongquan KD1, the deepest point of the sole, about 1/3 down from the toes. Press firmly with your thumb for 15 seconds, release, repeat 5 times on each foot to stimulate circulation. Try this action plan. Do a 5-minute warm foot soak plus Yongquan KD1 massage nightly. Hydrate. 8 glasses of water, limit salt. Do some gentle calf raises or heel toe rocking each hour you sit. If you feel the blood flowing already, type 2 below. Next up is an issue many seniors brush off as just numb feet. But nerve damage is serious and often signals deeper imbalances that can interfere with walking, balance, and even safety. Nerve damage is called peripheral neuropathy. Why it happens? High blood sugar, B vitamin deficits, or medication side effects fray the tiny nerves in your feet. Short story, Maria's tingle to twinkle turnaround. Maria, 69, described her soles as walking on sponges. Her physician recommended B12 supplements and daily pressure on Taichung, LV3, between the big toe and second toe. After 6 weeks, the tingling faded and her balance returned. Try this pressure point fix. Taichung LV3, on the top of the foot, 2 finger widths up from the web between big and second toe. Massage in a slow figure 8 for 60 seconds per foot to soothe nerve pain. Try this action plan. Monitor your blood sugar. Add B12, rich foods, eggs, fish, leafy greens. Do some foot rolling with a tennis ball before bed. Try Taichung LV3, acupressure morning and night to calm nerve signals. Most people don't connect back pain to weak legs, but your spine is your body's communication hub. If something's pinched or out of alignment, your legs often pay the price. Spinal problems, sciatica, and herniated discs. Why it happens: compressed discs press on nerves, draining power from your legs. Short story: George stands tall again. George, 77, felt a lightning bolt shoot down his leg whenever he bent. A therapist taught him knee to chest stretches and to press Weijong BL 40 behind the knee. 3 weeks later, he tied his shoes pain-free. Try this pressure point fix. Weijong BL 40, midpoint of the crease behind the knee. Press with thumb or knuckle for 30 seconds per leg, releasing slowly to ease lumbar tension. Try this action plan. Do knee to chest stretches and seated spinal twists twice daily. Stand and walk for 2 minutes every 30 minutes of sitting. Do Weijong BL 40 pressure before and after stretches to relax the back chain. Still here? Type 4 to stay engaged. Finally, one of the most sudden and surprising causes of leg weakness: mineral imbalance. If you've ever had a cramp snap you out of sleep, this one's for you. 1. Electrolyte imbalance, magnesium and potassium. Why it happens: dehydration, certain meds, or low mineral diets trigger sudden cramps or tremors. Short story: Doris Midnight Cramp Cure. Doris, 80, dreaded the 2 a.m. Charlie horse. Her friend suggested an evening Epsom salt bath plus pressing Taishi, KD3, on the inner ankle. That night, she slept cramp-free for the first time in months. Try this pressure point fix. Taishi, KD3, in the hollow between the Achilles tendon and inner ankle bone. Apply firm pressure in slow pulses for 1 minute on each ankle to ease spasms. Try this action plan. Add potassium, bananas, avocados, cooked bok choy, cooked broccoli rabe, and magnesium, almonds, cashews, black beans, pumpkin seeds. Drink half your body weight in pounds in ounces of water spread throughout the day. Evening Epsom salt foot soak plus Taishi KD, free pressure to calm nighttime cramps. Cramp relief sounds good? Comment 5. Final takeaway: weak legs aren't destiny. They're a signal. Fight sarcopenia with strength work and ST36. Boost blood flow with KD1 massage. Protect your nerves with LV3. Relieve spinal strain with BL40. Stop cramps with KD3 and electrolyte balance. Pick one pressure point technique tonight and feel the difference. Your legs carry you through life. Give them the care they deserve. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs stronger, steadier legs. And let us know, which tip will you start with first? Your journey to confident steps starts now.